welcome you all back to my channel. Djmahaneet. Right now we are on Gypsy. Abhi. And who's in the back? So we are exploring. How's your experience going in the Gypsy? Sitting in the open air. And it's a hot summer afternoon. The time right now is 3 PM I think. And it's really warm here around Nandi. So after a long time filling fuel in the Gypsy. Kote petrol bunk. So we are heading back to Kaneve. Here you can see, and it's a bright sunny afternoon, very hot, soaring high temperatures, almost 37 degrees today. And that's Kaneve. We're back. Do follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet. Also, my Facebook fan page is Djmahaneet. Stay tuned and hope you like this tour of Kaneve. If you do want to stay, do ping me or comment me on the comment section below. Spread over about 15 acres of land and a lot of greenery around. There are mango trees, the coconut trees, guava trees, and a lot of fruit trees around. And a lot of breeze, lakes, dams. If you like trekking, it's the best place to come for. We have Saman Durga, Makli Durga, Nandi hills, and a lot of other trekking places around. And if you like to see wildlife, we have the Black Book Reserve Forest, which is about half an hour from here, which is on the border of course we have a lot of lakes around. The drone shots you just saw was from the Chikkarayapanahalli Kere, the Chikkarayapanahalli Lake, which is just on about a half kilometer from here, alongside the Nandi. Original house where Kaneve started off from, and we used to hire this earlier. Right now we're keeping it for private use only. It has a beautiful lawn. Check this fellow out. Hello boy. That's the old house, about 25 years old. We'll do a short tour of this house too. One thing is, being with nature relaxes your mind, keeps you calm, composed, and makes you feel refreshed. Stay with nature and enjoy life, and don't be in a rat race. That's not the place to be in. Always stay happy, smile, and spread the happiness. Keep everybody happy around you. Oh, hope you like this vlog of a bit of off-roading in Kaneve here in Nandi Hills, and hope you also liked exploring the place on the Gypsy. That is my 1992 Maruti Suzuki Gypsy. It's a 1000cc, not a King, 1300. Beautiful vehicle. So that's about it from this short vlog of Kaneve and some off-roading around. Stay tuned for the next one. So until the next one, it's sayonara, adios and goodbye. Thank you for watching, and give me a thumbs up if you do like this video. Goodbye.